This is a story about a father cat who saved a kitten from an attack by a large crocodile. This is a story about a cat father who saved a kitten from the attack of a giant octopus. This is a story about a half-mermaid cat that was caught in a fishing net.